Good morning, children. In today's math class, we'll see about the properties of 3D objects. So, we have seen already about all the properties of 3D objects in our basic class. Yes or no, children? Yes. So, today we'll see, we'll just go through all these properties of 3D objects once again. And we'll see one more thing about net. So, okay. Create 3D objects using clay and paper folding. A figure that you can cut and fold to make a model of a solid shape is called a net. Net is nothing but it is given in the next page of your book. So, just see here, children. So, these are known as the nets. Okay, so you can create cube by folding the nets. Okay, so you can you just take a paper, you just cut like this. This one for the cube, all the sides are of square shape. Yes or no? All the faces are in square shape. Square has all the sides equal. Yes or no? So you just take a measurement of for example 3 centimeter. So how many 3 centimeter will I take? 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So to fold one square should have all the sides 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeter, this side, this side, this side. So you just take a measurement and fold it. You just stick this with the this set of paper. Okay. So then you can fold according to the number. First one, you just take it up. This one, you take it. For example, if you want to say an example for net, you just take the matchbox. It will be suiting. It just remove that matchbox. So it will be showing the net of a cuboid. Okay, you just try with that and then you just do the for paper folding for cube. Okay, children. Okay, now we'll go to the properties of cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Okay. First, cube. Cube, you know already, a cube has 6 plane faces. I told you already, 6 plane faces it has. Each face will be like a square. And 12 edges. 12 edges means, how many edges do you have? This one edge, on the top 4, to the front and to the side and at the back and down. You have 12 edges. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12. In each side you will have. And 8 vertices. Vertices means the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the back side 1. So totally 8 vertices it has. All the 6 faces are equal. So for example, dice, ice cubes, building blocks, Rubik's cube, all these things are examples for cube. Then cuboid. Cuboid, for both cube and cuboid, only the size will be varying. All the other properties will be the same. And all the 6 faces are equal. Here opposite faces are equal. Same like square and rectangle. A cuboid has 6 plane faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Its opposite faces are equal. Example, matchbox, bricks, eraser, book, toothpaste box, everything. Okay, so these are the properties of cube and cuboid. The next one, sphere. A sphere has only one curved surface. It has no vertices and no edges. It does not have anything. Only one curved face it has. Then example for it is ball, globe, laddu, all these things etc. are examples for a sphere. And next one is cone. A cone has one plane face and one curved surface. It has one corner vertex. Okay, it has one vertex, one plane face and one curved face. And the next one is cylinder. A cylinder has 2 plane faces and one curved surface. It has no edges and vertices. So in basic class I told you that actually for a cylinder it has two edges and cone it has one edge. But it will not be appropriate. So they have given here it has no edges. Okay, here also it does not have edges. Okay, so actually it has one, the cone has one and cylinder has two. It will not be appropriate for it. So they have given it has no edges and vertices. For example, straw, gas cylinder, pipe, all these things are the example for cylinder. Okay children, so now we'll do this exercise number 1.1. Choose the correct answer. A cuboid has dash edges. How many edges it has? It has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and which will be correct? 12 edges. Okay, the shape of a dice is like a cube. A dash has a curved surface and 2 plane faces. 2 plane faces and 1 curved face is a cylinder. I have 1 vertex and 1 plane face. 1 vertex and 1 plane face means I am a cone. Because it will not be suitable for cylinder and sphere, because cylinder is not having any vertex and sphere is not having any plane face and also a vertex. A cube has dash vertices. How many vertices does it have? 8 vertices. Okay children, at the back side of this page you have find out the 2D and 3D objects and few pictures were given, and you just do it as homework and post it in the group. Okay, thank you.